Hi, and welcome to the Tarot of the Week, which is proving to be really popular. And I'm really grateful for the feedback that we've had so far. So I'll just continue motoring on and giving you my interpretation of the tarot cards. So what I thought I'd do is we'll just continue with some tarot cards, but when we get closer to Christmas, I will do some angel readings because angels and Christmas really go well. So we've got the Tarot of the Moon, Garden, and these are really powerful, colourful fantasy deck. So their archetypes are quite different from the more traditional style design. And I think that's the thing about tarot, is that you can find a design that really sparks your information. Remember, the cards are the tool, you are the channel. And so the card that I chose for the week ahead, so you'll be seeing this on Friday, so time to ponder over the weekend and then think about your week ahead, is the Three of Swords. And as you can see, we have the wonderful dragon fly heads at the top of the swords there. We've got the clouds in the background. We've got this heart-shaped yin and yang type floral design going on, and then the growth in the middle. But pay attention to what's in the background. Remember, with your tarot cards, look into the card, not just at the card. Look in, delve into the image. And so I'm just going to have a look at this card. Three of Swords is really about decision making, and it can be quite a conflict kind of card. In fact, swords are really about conflict in terms of the oracle, the tarot deck anyway. And so with the Three of Swords, is it about having to really focus between the heart and the head? We have the heart shape here, and we've got this is the mindscape up here. With the clouded vision, there's no real clarity. In fact, you can't see into the vista. So when I talk about looking into the card, we've just got these obstructions. We've got this clouded vision. And sometimes we get to a place in our life where, as my husband likes to say, we have that paralysis by analysis. That is his most favourite saying, where we're overthinking things and we can't see, literally can't see the wood for the trees. We've got all this foliage at the front, it's hiding the pathway. In fact, the pathway is so secreted behind, masked by all of this foliage, that we can't actually see where we're going. And then we've got this conflict of the mind in the top. The really cool thing about this card is to look at the colours. And the colours are very lemon, green and pinks. And that all is associated with the heart and the mind. The green and the pinks are about the physical heart, which is the green. The pink is the higher heart, and the lemon is the mind. And so we've got these colours within this card here. I know the vision's not great, but there we go. You can see the colours. And so if you're reading by colour, if you're interpreting colour, you've got to really think about, well, how can I stop over analysing or overthinking things and become a little bit more trusting within my heart space? How can I have a bit more faith in what it is that I want to do? Because there's also orange in this card, and orange is growth, both physical, as in physical terms of where we are, but in physical terms of who we are as a person. And that could be our spiritual awareness, our confidence, self-awareness, self-esteem, our energy. Orange is that life force. It's that vibrant life force. And it's just tucked away at the very bottom of the card here. So what I want you to think about, because I think all the time, and that's why my husband uses that phrase, analysis by paralysis, or paralysis by analysis, is because I tend to really overthink things, and I tend to stop myself from achieving things or acting quickly because I will be thinking away and thinking away. So take time over this weekend to really think about how you approach new ideas, opportunities, how you approach feelings of feeling blocked. Do you actually just create more of a block by sitting in the block, by sitting in a situation? Do you need to put some action behind creating change? Once you get the action going, then the swords will disappear. The blockage, the vista should can't become much cleaner and clearer. So you can see where you're going. And I think sometimes we are so close to the situation. Like the foliage on this card is right at the very front. It's right here and it's blocking. We can't see anything beyond it. So sometimes when we're so close to a situation, a problem, an issue, we actually can't see the solution. We're just blinded by it. So over this next few days, think about taking a step back. How can you take a step back? What would that feel like for you? Would that be okay? Do you need to give yourself permission to take a breath, take a step back, review, reflect, and then resolve your situation? The Three of Swords, a really interesting card, a wonderful pack. The Moon Tarot, here's my lovely wizard on the back there. So it's quite magical, the Moon Garden tarot cards. I've had these for a long, long, long time. Oh gosh, I hate to say, maybe nearly 40 years. I am so old. But anyway, I've had them a long, long time. I bought them when I was a teenager because of the colours. So have a think about that for your weekend and then take your resolve, your resolutions into the following week and see how your decision making evolves from there. So thank you for your time, your feedback. If you've got any questions, please don't be backwards in coming forwards. Just leave comments in the space below, and I look forward to seeing you next week, where I might choose another deck from my really quite large collection of tarot cards. Until the next time, take care for now. Enjoy your weekend. Bye for now.